Smarta and her magic bag. Hello, I'm Smarta, and this is my dog Spotty. Spotty is very smart because I train him. Do you want to try it together? Spotty, down! Good job! When Spotty follows my order, I give him a bone. Shh! Spotty, listen. Do you hear that? Someone is crying. That's a baby bird chirping. Little bird, why are you crying? I see. You fell out of the nest and can't fly yet. Don't worry. We'll bring you back home. I've seen a big nest on the tall tree in the garden. To bring the baby bird back to his nest, we need to pass the hen house, enter the garden, and find the tallest tree. Hen house, garden, tree. Let's say it together. Hen house, garden, tree. Are you ready? Little bird, Spotty, let's start out for the adventure. I see a hen house. It's morning. Let's say good morning to Mother Hen and her chicks.
Privet, hello, hola, bonjour. I am translating everything around. I'm Mr. Talky, your dictionary. Come on, say your word aloud.
Spotty, do you want to greet everyone in Spanish? Okay. Talky, how do we say good morning in Spanish?
Good morning in Spanish is Buenos días.
Buenos días. Thank you, Talky.
You are welcome, friends.
Let's say it together. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. It was perfectly done. Moving on. Do you remember the way? Hen house, garden, tree. Right. here is the garden. I saw the nest of which the baby bird fell down on the tallest tree in the garden. Look attentively. Which tree is the tallest? Right! Little bird, we found your home. The nest is very high. Who will help us get up there? Great idea, Spotty. We need a car, which is called a boom truck. Let's say it together. Boom truck! Come here, little bird. Now you are at home. Watch out next time. Don't fall out of your nest. We did a good job. We helped a little one get back home. We also have to go back, Spotty. See you next time. Bye-bye.